Hey, how's it going? My name is Braden, I'm a stonemason. This is just a little crack repair. If you look here, this is all totally unreinforced. So the whole slab's unreinforced, you can see here. So I don't know. I probably should have maybe stuck some little mesh bits in here, but I didn't because I can't be bothered. But I don't know if you can see here, the level runs out like that. So this slab here is kicking up, and this slab here is like down that way. So if you take a little crossing out over here, you can see the angle, and this was the actual crack. So what I did here for this top edge was the same shape as this, so it came out here and then back in. So I got my like tungsten chisel bolster here. This is I don't know, if you don't have this, there's other things you can use, a grinder and stuff like this, but this is a lot faster. So you can knock that edge straight. What I did is I just got a piece of wood and got a straight edge across here like that. And then I come back with that straight line and just fucking knocked it straight off there. So here you go. That's pretty much just how I put it in. If I had some other tools, like a longer, flatter trowel, I would use that. But I haven't been in San Francisco that long, and all my tools are back in New Zealand. So, with that one just come along, put that edge back on. You can just like clean that. I wish I was holding the camera a bit stiller for that start of that, but I was getting a bit excited. This is my first masonry video. This here, you can see, I haven't cleaned this one up yet. You don't want to hit it too early. If you start cleaning up when everything's still wet, all you get is like all the stains around here. So if you hit that, you can sort of, so it's slightly raised, so that when you hit it, you can sort of make your own shape a little bit. There's a little bit more play in that piece. Sorry. So under here, the crack is actually still pretty crazy, like that. But I just did a slightly raised bed, and then put a straight edge on that again. Clean it off. With that little bit of staining there, you can just, if you want, you can come across and wash it at some point. I'm not going to bother because this is just a little free repair for the landlord. Yeah. when you're working, it's hard to hold the camera and concentrate on the finish here. So I don't know. It's cheap. You can mix up your own sand and cement. I just found the sand. It wasn't on the beach, but it was on like the side of the road somewhere. Just some tradie had dumped it. So there you go. It cost me like probably around $2.50 on a bit of labour. There's another little. Anyway, let's catch you.